Hello everyone, welcome back once again. Today we're going to find the 10th power of 1 plus root 3. This is a nice problem because we are not going to make use of calculators. Now let's get started. Before we proceed, let us talk about something very important. Okay, we have x to the power of 10. We can actually write this as x to the power of 2, then to the power of 5. Okay, now from here, we can write this as x squared multiplied by x squared multiplied by x squared to the power of 1. Okay, but the question here is, how come of these multiplications, that is these products here, how is this equal to the product of these three expressions here? Now, all we need to recall is this: a raised to the power of b multiplied by a raised to the power of c. Since they have the same base, this is same as a to the power of b plus c. Now take a look at this. The base right over here is x squared and the power here is 5. Now this base here is x squared, x squared, x squared. So the whole bases are equal. Therefore we need to add the power. So here we have 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1, which is this 5. Okay, now let's go back to the original problem. Now with the help of this, 1 plus root of 3 to the power of 10 can be written as 1 plus root of 3 squared multiplied by 1 plus root of 3 squared, then multiply by just only 1 plus root of 3 squared. Remember, this to the power of 1 is still the same thing. Now take a look at this. We need to evaluate 1 plus root of 3 squared. But before that, let us take note of this identity. A plus b squared. This is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b. Okay, now here let's evaluate this, and evaluate this, which is same thing. So here we have 1 plus root of 3 squared. This will be equal to, according to this, 1 squared plus root of 3 squared plus 2 times 1 times root of 3. So here we have 1 squared is 1 plus root of 3 squared. The square will cancel this root, so we have 3. Then plus 2 times 1 is 2 times root 3, which is 2 root 3. And simplifying, we get 4 plus 2 root 3. Right? Okay, so here we have 1 plus root 3 squared to be equal to this. Right? So now, what do we do next? Let us rewrite our new expression now. Therefore, 1 plus root of 3 raised to the power of 10 will be equal to, remember the square of this is already 4 plus 2 root 3. So we have 4 plus 2 root 3. Then we have squared multiplied by 4 plus 2 root 3. We have squared, then multiply by just 4 plus 2 root 3 from here. Okay, now in our next step, let us find the square of 4 plus 2 root 3. So here we have 4 plus 2 root 3 squared. Let us write the inner expression. So that will be 4 plus, remember, 2 root 3 is same as root of 12, right? So squared. So here, make use of this property here. So we get 4 squared plus root of 12 squared plus 2 times 4 times, remember this root of 12 is 2 root 3. So we have 2 root 3. So this will be equal to 4 squared is 16 plus this square, we cancel this root, so we have 12 plus 2 times 4 here is 8 times 2, that's 16 root of 3. So here this is equal to 28 plus 16 root of 3. So we can see we have found the square of this and the square of this. Therefore, our new expression will become 1 plus root of 3 to the power of 10. This will be equal to, here, the square of this is this. So we have 28 plus 16 root of 3 multiplied by 28 plus 16 root of 3. Then multiply by, remember, here, 4 plus 2 root of 3. Okay, now, from here, take note of this. This multiplied by this, remember that same thing, we can put them together and square, right? So here we have 1 plus root of 3. That is our new equation now. So this times this will be same as 28 plus 16 root of 3 squared. Then multiply by 4 plus 2 root of 3. Okay, so in our next step, let us find the square of 28 plus 16 root 3. So here we have 28 plus 16 root of 3 squared. So this will be equal to 28 squared plus 16 root of 3 squared plus 2 times 28 times 16 root of 3. So this will be equal to, here, 28 squared, that will give us 784, plus, here, 16 squared first is 256, then root 3 squared is 3, so 3 times 256, that will give us 768, then plus, so here, 2 times 28 times 16 will give us 896, so we have 896, then we have root 3, and simplifying, we get this plus this will give us 1552, then plus 896 root 3. Okay, now our new equation will become that 1 plus root of 3 to the power of 10 will be equal to the square of this is this, which is 1552 plus 896 root 3, then multiply by 4 plus 2 root 3. So from here, we're going to expand this. So we get 1 plus root of 3 to the power of 10. This will be equal to 1552 times 4 from here. That will give us 6208. 6208. Then plus 1552. Is that the next thing? So what is the next thing? So here, 1552 times 2 root 3. That will actually give us 3104 root 3, right? Hope I'm correct. Yes. So 3104 root 3 plus, okay, so here 896 root 3 times 4. So that will give us 3584, then root 3, then plus here 896 multiply by, is that 896? Where did I, oh sorry, 896 root 3 times 2 root 3. Remember, root 3 times root 3 is already 3, so this is same as 896 times 2 times 3, right? So which will give us 5376. So from here, adding up, so we have here 6208 plus this, that will give us 11584, then plus this here will give us 6688 root 3. So here we have our solution without a calculator, that 1 plus root 3 to the power of 10 is exactly equal to 11584 plus 6688 root of 3. And this is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment and share. Bye bye.